crazy. Welcome everyone. How you doing? Welcome everyone. Give you have a happy Halloween weekend. Hope you enjoy your weekend right here. This is the Tech Talk with Tech Denroy, and you truly. My name is Tech Denroy. Y'all doing this lovely night tonight. I know y'all enjoy this Halloween weekend. Well, we have a couple of topics here. Before we have for my new view, this the first time it came in viewing my live stream. Okay, my name is Tech Denroy. Y'all would want to say, why you still listen to this guy? What advice this guy have to offer? Let me give you a little bit background of myself. I have a associate degree in information system analysis. I have an associate degree. I have studied all aspects of technology, including network, database design, computer systems, programming, about all variety of systems, and I have studied technology and computer all my life. Also, at the end of that 2-year degree, I had studied a lot of quite a few of business curriculum. I did intro to business, I did finance, and I did accounting. Then after a couple of years, I decided to kind of upgrade that particular degree and skill. And I'm kind of pursuing and earn a Bachelor of Science degree in Information Technology. And that most is a depth curriculum, and that's just more advanced database server technology, web design and management, programming, and security. I also did the business end of that. That was financing. I did accounting, and that's like a lot of business management course. Okay, my last stream we had talked about is storage. If you have your Bible data or your personal photos and your pictures, how to keep that stored, how to keep that from that being stored, if it's technical destroyed or getting particular height. I have showed the last ordinance like a little show and tell was a couple of external hard drives, and I have another one is the external, and then I have an internal hard drive. I'm going to show this tonight, and it was basically a show and tell tonight about the storage. And if you have anything to talk, I had discussed my live stream about this external hard drive. If you have any store information, you can store information for this external hard drive. This is right here. You can pick up this any technology store here, Amazon or any technology. That's like 1 terabyte of memory, and it's really store quite a bit of folders and data in this here. Then I have one little stuff I had to show you tonight. I have some of my clients. They were talking about, okay, what happened when my desktop computers, how to throw it away, what data is important. And it said, one thing about when you have a desktop computer, if you want to throw it away, one thing you need to take out is the most important thing of the desktop unit is the external hard drive. And it's like a plate, like a aluminum plate, and I will show you right here. This store all the particular data. I don't know if I can show you here. This is aluminum data. This is the hard drive here of the computer right here. I'll show you everyone here. Yeah, this is the hard drive of the computer right here. This, before you ever throw away, destroy your desktop, the unit, you need to take this out. This is the most important thing of precious data stored in this particular internal hard drive, and this is located in your unit of your desktop computer. Most people I know that they have, most companies, they format it. If they refurbish the desktop computer, they refurbish the hard drive. This is the hard drive right here. And you see it's a plate right here, and they really format this right here. Or you have your own, you throwing away, you can have a screwdriver, you can screw this out and take this out. Or I have a previous unit, I take this out. This is the value of the computer, the desktop computer, is the hard drive. And this is the hard drive plate right here. And this is the most important thing in the unit, because this holds all your data, all your personal data. This is hold right here, and this is the most valuable instrument in your desktop unit, this particular hard drive right here. Okay. This evening, we are talking, this is an open wide topic, fair with anything dealing with technology, any news of technology. But I think I have a couple of news I have found out. Wow, Microsoft. I think Microsoft has suppressed Apple in technology. I heard that news on Friday. Microsoft suppressed Apple in technology, and I think they have a couple $1 billion in suppress the value. They look at the most valuable technology companies suppress surpassed Apple computers, surpassed the Apple Corporation. They had heard that news on Friday. They are one of the viable publicly traded company, Microsoft, and they really got surpassed Apple as one of the viable publicly traded companies. Most Apple, Microsoft corporation, they used to be one of the one of the, of technology. They're still a big player of PC, but they have designed everything, and they're mostly going into the cloud area arena. Microsoft, the corporation, and just heard that on the news. Yeah, but it is a massive player of PC, but they are exploring their options. They are moving all the aspect of in the cloud, and rather than Apple, Apple is a hardware company, but Microsoft is more kind of streamlined, more streamlined in the cloud. Cloud is one of the most aspect of now everything in technology is going to the cloud. It's software as a service, hardware as a service, infrastructure as a service. All the servers, and you can rent servers, and rather than you have the physical hardware or infrastructure on premises, all that stuff is on the cloud. It's more cheaper for companies to have the infrastructure as a service or software as a service, because you don't have to have that high overhead and all that maintenance of having that service to maintain. But everything you rent on the cloud is take away that physical equipment in your facility, in your company, and that's what Microsoft is bringing their brand in the cloud. It's so plus Apple. I just heard that news Friday. Though they really didn't got hurt from the supply chain disruption, and Microsoft is put out with Microsoft. They just got ahead of Apple. I just heard that on Friday. Okay, any news? I just heard that news on about Apple computer. Anyone have anything about technology? Y'all open flow for anyone want to talk about technology or the industry itself. Technology is a really growing field. You have cybersecurity, you have database management, you have program, you have cloud. It's a lot of most of these jobs are now is going into the cloud, like cloud computing. You have one of the big player of cloud industry. You have the story I had talked about Microsoft, you have Amazon, and you have Google. You have some other cloud industry on there. And well, I'm going to do a little Q&A. I'm going to set that up right now. I'm streaming on YouTube, and I have a chat room set up on YouTube and Facebook. I'm going to set that up right now. We can do a little 15 to 20 minutes of Q&A. I'm going to set that up right now. When I'm setting that up there, I got a little entertainment to show you. Stream my little entertainment. I will kind of keep you around. I'm setting up the chat room up, and you can watch the nice ocean view. You'll really enjoy this. I know the beach was ocean. I'm always big at taking photographs and pictures, and that's what part of the Tech Denver show is all about entertaining and enjoying yourself on this platform I had designed. Okay, this is the ocean. Enjoy the ocean view. Well, we're back. One of the questions I always say is never a stupid question. It's never a stupid question to ask. A lot of my fans, my followers, they ask about what is a router. How is the function of a router? This is a router. I'm doing a lot of show and tell tonight. This is a router, and this is part of the connection. Remember, if I can bring it up here, if I can show the cam up here. This is a D-Link external router here. This is the big connection from your modem to your router. These are really communication. That's the part of the function to have you operate wireless over the internet. And this is a D-Link router. And I always say it's never a stupid question to ask. You can have any question on IT, technology. I love to ask questions. I love to answer the questions and help to solve any of your problem here. And I thought so this is one of my things I have show here. Okay, I have show. See, this is the external router. You can wireless here. You show and tell here. I think I can show you the picture of a external router right here. It's the D-Link here. This is a little bit old. It's not one of these advanced one, but I have this in my technology pack right here. And this is an external router right here. What is the Internet of Things? Internet of Things is like anything is connected to the internet. It can be your special home, everything's connecting your home. It might be your refrigerator, your TV, your small TV, your appliances, everything that's dealing with Internet of Things. Anything connected to the network. Network is a network that connected to the internet. Internet is network of network connection to that's the basis that connected to the internet. It's like you're not really connected to the internet. You're just connected to the network that connected to the internet. Okay. Any firewall? Yes, firewall is the protection. Just like you can say, it's a wall, it's a bit of a wall, and that's a protecting, create any defense. Most of the defense of an organization is the firewall. They have installed that, implementing that firewall to protect anyone. I give an example. It's like a big fence. Big fence with barbed wires and that protecting that particular, and it chooses to come in that particular area. That's the kind of give an example of a firewall, but in the security term. Any more questions? I'm working here. Okay. Typing away. I'm also expanding my technology. Hopefully, I remember, I would say forget one thing to remember, click on that like, please. Click on that like button. If you like this live stream, please please click on that like button if you like this live stream. Yes, I'm also improving. I want to do some live stream through Twitch and TikTok. I'm working on that, and I'm going to show you a little area where you can help me with my cause and give me a donation to help educate everybody in technology. I'm moving to eventually I get my funding. I'm moving to other areas of technology that broaden my horizon of new audiences. I was going to go into other social media, Twitch and TikTok. I have a donation link right here. I'm going to put it right here, and this is a donation link here. You can click on here. That will basically help me buy equipment, eventually move to other social media sites, and that's just a donation, and it's start from $1 all the way to $10. Click on that link right there. I think I will send a link. I think I click on that tip. That's a tip area right there. You can click on that link right there, and I'm gonna put that in the chat room right there. And that's the particular link. You can click on that right there. That particular link. And I will post that particular link at the end of the video. You'll just click on that particular link on that video. That's donation that really be appreciated. And remember, click that like button. Click that button. Support my live streaming by clicking on that like button. How I came into technology. I always enjoyed learning technology. Started from grade school. I had really test well computers, systems, database, but back then they really have Windows. They have everything was operating in database. Everything was operating in DOS environment. They was have really the Windows environment. Everything was in DOS environment. You have to learn a lot of commands and code to maneuver into DOS environment rather than Windows. No, Windows is an interface. You just click on the interface and you just icon. You know, it's more easy rather than you have that command line script. You have to write everything you write is the command line. But now you have Windows. Everything is a interface. You click on that interface. You click on the icon. And you have your application and everything. What is NAS? Network Attached Storage. That's in the NETA storage area. That's a huge storage area. I don't have a particular, I don't have that particular device with me, but this is really a huge storage. But that's store everything in the network. That is the NAS. Is network attached storage. It's a category file level that connect to the internet and enable data access and file sharing across client network or service environment. That's particular there. Rather than you have like most companies, they have most of the data stored on a network attached storage, or especially if it's somebody who's small, have their own company and small, rather than they say they're not want a store their personal data in the cloud. They can have their own storage device, and that's a network attached storage, NAS, NAS. That was abbreviation it is right there. Basically, they enable data access and file sharing across your network or your server environment. Virtual machine, yes, VM. Virtual machine is a machine, it's a software that runs and program or application without being tied to a physical machine. That's everybody say VM or virtual machines. This is a software that runs program or application without being tied to a physical machine. It can be one or more guest machine that can run on a physical host computer, not really a physical machine. And that's called VM, virtual machine. Okay, everyone, that's just the end of the question and the news about technology. We're going to wrap this live stream up. I would wish everyone continue to wish everyone a good Halloween holiday, a good Saturday. I know everybody wants to go back and enjoy the football game. I wish everyone have a